Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Learn for Fun. What's up guys? I'm your host Sylvia. So today I just thought of sharing with you 10 amazing uses for the whey that gets left over when you make paneer. So please don't throw this water. It's loaded with natural proteins and has several health benefits. So let's get started. The first on the list is you can use it to knead the chapati dough or any kind of dough that you make. Instead of using water to make your dough, use whey instead. Your rotis will have an extra helping of protein. Same goes with the teplas or any other atta that you make. The second one on the list is you can add it to any of the fruit or the vegetable juices that you make. You can start your day by mixing whey in your regular fruit or vegetable juices, blend it, and well, you can enjoy a healthy fruitful drink. The sky is the limit when it comes to all the flavor combos that you can make with the different vegetable and fruit juices, so do give it a try. Coming to number 3, you can add it to any curries or dals. Most of the Indian gravies have a sour element that comes from either tomatoes, amchur, tamarind or yogurt, so you can use whey to substitute any of those elements. Number 4 on the list is you can add it to the upma. Whey has a nice mild flavor that goes well with upma. If you normally put tomato or yogurt in upma, you can replace it with whey. However, if you don't use either, you can still replace the water content in your upma with whey. Do give it a try next time and see how you like it. The next is number 5. You can use it to cook rice, pasta or veggies. If you are having excess of whey, you can add it to your rice before cooking. It makes the rice healthy and nutritious, apart from giving it a unique flavor. Since this liquid is rich in protein, it also helps you keep your calories under check. Coming to number 6, you can incorporate it in your baking. This is an excellent substitute for plain water when you are baking any food. It can be used to make baking products like breads, cornbreads, pancakes, muffins, and even homemade biscuits, which certainly taste a lot better and are flavorful. Number 7 on the list is you can add it to soups. If you're making soup, use whey as the base. Perhaps it could take the place of some of your homemade stock or broth. Number 8 on the list is you can rinse your hair with it. Now, I personally have not tried this, but I have seen several sources recommend it as a shampoo substitute, hair rinse, or even as hair gel. The protein in the whey will do wonders for your hair. Shampoo your hair and then apply the whey to it. Rub it in your scalp and hair gently, then let it sit for 10 minutes and rinse it off with lukewarm water. Later, you comb your hair as it dries to prevent it from sticking together. Number 9 on the list is you can also take a whey bath to soften your skin. Some spas actually offer whey baths because whey cleanses, softens, moisturizes, and tones the skin. If you have a bathtub, put 1 to 2 cups of whey in the water and soak in it for 20 minutes. However, if you don't, soak a towel in whey and apply it to your skin. Let it be for 15 to 20 minutes and then rinse it off. And the last, number 10, is pour it into the plants. However, dilute the whey with water and then pour it in your plants. Diluting is very important because whey is too acidic by itself and could burn your plants. So make sure that you always dilute the whey with water. So there you have it, the 10 amazing uses for the whey that gets left over when you make paneer. So next time, make sure that you don't throw the water and put it to use. Hope this video was helpful. Thanks again for watching. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe if you haven't already. Thank you for supporting my channel. Please click on the bell icon for the notifications. Thanks again for watching and supporting my channel. I'll see you all in the next video. Till then, happy learning, happy cooking.